Learn useful English words for describing everyday problems, accidents, and little mishaps. Damp, meaning slightly wet but not completely soaked. My clothes are still damp. The towel feels damp. Get soaked through, meaning to become completely wet because liquid passes through something. My shoes got soaked through in the rain. My clothes got soaked through in the rain. Smudge, meaning to make something dirty or unclear by accidentally rubbing it. I smudged the ink on the page. There's a smudge on my glasses. Smear, meaning to spread a substance across a surface, usually accidentally or messily. Be careful not to smear makeup on your dress. There's grease smeared across the window. Crinkle, meaning to make something slightly wrinkled or folded. I crinkled the receipt in my pocket. The paper got crinkled in my bag. Tangle, meaning to become twisted together in a messy way. My earphones got tangled in my pocket. The wires are all tangled up. Untangle, meaning to separate something that has become twisted or tangled. It took me 10 minutes to untangle my earphones. I need to untangle these cables. Trip over, meaning to stumble or almost fall because your foot hits something. I tripped over a box and almost fell. Be careful not to trip over the cable. Bump into, meaning to accidentally hit someone or something. I bumped into the table. I bumped my head on the shelf. Bang, meaning to hit a part of your body against something hard. I banged my knee on the desk. I banged my head on the cabinet. Stub your toe, meaning to hurt your toe by accidentally hitting it against something. I stubbed my toe on the bed. Ouch! I stubbed my toe. pinch, meaning to hurt a part of your body by accidentally squeezing it between two things. Ouch! I pinched my finger in the door. I accidentally pinched my finger in the drawer. Scrape, meaning to damage your skin by rubbing it against a rough surface. I scraped my knee when I fell. I scraped my elbow against the wall. Get a splinter, meaning to get a small, sharp piece of wood or another material stuck under your skin. I got a splinter from the old table. Ouch! I got a splinter in my finger. Catch on, meaning to become caught on something. My sleeve caught on the door handle. My bag got caught on the chair. Snag on, meaning to accidentally catch or tear something on a sharp or rough object. My sweater snagged on a nail. I snagged my shirt on the fence. Warp, meaning to become bent or twisted because of heat, moisture, or pressure. The wooden door has warped. The heat warped the plastic. Peel off, meaning to come away from a surface in thin pieces. The paint is peeling off the wall. The wallpaper is starting to peel off. Chip, meaning to accidentally break a small piece off the edge or surface of something. I accidentally chipped my favorite mug. I chipped the edge of the plate. Flake off, meaning to come off a surface in small, thin pieces. The paint is flaking off the wall. The old paint is flaking off. Rattle, meaning to make a series of short, sharp sounds as something shakes or moves. Something is rattling inside the car. The window is rattling in the wind. Squeak, meaning to make a short, high-pitched sound. My shoes squeak when I walk. The door is squeaking again. Stick, meaning to become difficult to move because something is not moving smoothly. This drawer keeps sticking. The window is sticking again. Flicker, meaning to shine unsteadily, repeatedly becoming brighter and darker. The lights are flickering. My screen keeps flickering.